This is the Genesis G90. The Genesis G90 offers parking collision avoidance assist, an advanced driving assist technology that helps reduce the risk of collision during low-speed parking situations. On Genesis G90 sedans equipped with this feature, drivers can elect to have this system detect objects behind the vehicle, as well as objects at the front and sides of the vehicle. To set up parking collision avoidance assist for objects to the front or side of the vehicle, press Setup, then Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Parking Safety. If front side safety is selected, Parking Collision Avoidance Assist will warn the driver and assist with braking when a collision with a pedestrian or an object is detected from the front or the side. If rear safety is selected, Parking Collision Avoidance Assist will warn the driver and assist with braking when a collision with a pedestrian or an object is detected from behind. Be aware that front side safety can be selected only after rear safety is selected. If the engine is restarted, rear safety is selected and front side safety retains its last setting. Parking Collision Avoidance Assist will activate when the vehicle is shifted to either drive or reverse and vehicle speed is under 2 miles per hour. To turn the Parking Collision Avoidance Assist function completely on or off, press and hold the Parking Safety button for more than 2 seconds. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.